Hi everyone. Aging is a natural part of life, and it's a journey we can all embrace with confidence. Today, we're diving into healthy aging tips specifically for women over 50. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, take care of your skin, or stay mentally sharp, I've got you covered. Stick around because these practical tips could transform the way you approach this exciting phase of life. Let's talk about why healthy aging is so important. As we age, our bodies undergo changes, hormones fluctuate, metabolism slows, and muscle mass tends to decrease. But here's the good news. With the right habits, you can maintain your vitality, strength, and mental clarity. Healthy aging isn't about avoiding aging. It's about thriving as you age. So, let's dive into the tips. Nutrition is the foundation of healthy aging. After 50, your body needs fewer calories, but more nutrients. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, protein-rich options, and sources of calcium and vitamin D. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. Think about adding colorful vegetables and lean proteins to your plate. Staying hydrated is equally important. As we age, the sense of thirst diminishes, but your body still needs water for optimal function. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Exercise is another key to healthy aging. Start with strength training to preserve muscle mass. Incorporate cardio for heart health, and include flexibility exercises like yoga to maintain mobility and balance. Small, consistent efforts make a huge difference. Even a brisk 10-minute walk can get you started on the right track. Don't forget about relaxation exercises. They help with stress management and overall well-being. Taking care of your skin is another aspect of healthy aging. Use sunscreen daily to protect your skin from sun damage, and switch to moisturizers that keep your skin hydrated as it becomes drier with age. Regular self-care rituals like a good skincare routine and staying hydrated will show in your skin's health. Your mental health is just as important as physical health. Stay socially connected. Make time for friends and family, or join a group that shares your interests. Keep your mind active by learning something new, whether it's an online course, a new hobby, or simply reading more. Mindfulness and gratitude practices can help you feel more grounded and positive. Finally, preventive health care is crucial after 50. Schedule regular screenings for things like mammograms, bone density tests, and other age-appropriate health checks. These appointments ensure you stay proactive about your health and catch any issues early. Thank you for joining me today to explore healthy aging tips for women over 50. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Remember, aging is a privilege. Let's do it with grace and strength. See you next time.